Hey guys, decided to make a video while I was doing this because I just noticed something interesting happening. So this is my Tevo tarantula you guys have seen, and this is my first attempt running ABS filament. This is a GoPro mount that goes underneath the headrest of my car, and I previously printed one out of PLA, which abruptly melted in the wonderful Kentucky sun. So I decided to make one out of ABS. So basically the settings for this were 240 degrees on the filament and 110 on the bed. I have the ceiling fan off and the vents closed just to keep this room as warm as possible. But I've noticed the little fan thing there, they're actually melting from the ambient heat in the area. So apparently if you're going to be doing this, you'll want to take your fans off before you start, or I guess probably the ideal solution is print up some new fan ducts in ABS plastic. But I just wanted to do a little update. I noticed that it was kind of funny, and I figured this would be a good story for those of us who want to start printing in ABS plastic. It's supposed to be a lot stronger and withstand the heat a lot better than PLA, as we can obviously see, seeing how it can't even hold up to hanging around when you're printing ABS. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. This is another little Inventor tidbit from Almost Legit Garage. Be sure to subscribe. I don't do these videos super often, but they do pop up every now and then. Thank you guys. Have a nice night.